So, you've decided to step into the gym for the first time. That's a big deal. It can feel overwhelming, but let's break it down into some standard exercises that are perfect for beginners. First off, let's talk about the foundation, the squat. It's a fantastic exercise for building strength in your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps and you'll be on your way to stronger legs. Next up is the push-up. This classic exercise works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. If that feels too challenging, you can modify it by doing push-ups on your knees. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10, and you'll feel the burn in no time. Now, let's not forget about the importance of core strength. Enter the plank. It's simple but effective. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself, hold that position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Start with holding it for 20 to 30 seconds, and as you get stronger, you can increase the time. It's a great way to build stability and strength in your core. Moving on, we have the dumbbell row. This exercise targets your back and arms. Grab a pair of dumbbells, bend slightly at the waist, and keep your back straight. Pull the weights towards your hips, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. It's a great way to balance out all that pushing you do with push-ups. Don't forget about the importance of cardio. If you're new to the gym, the treadmill is a great place to start. Walking or jogging at a comfortable pace for 20 to 30 minutes can help build your endurance. You can also try the stationary bike or elliptical if you prefer something low impact. Finally, let's wrap it up with some stretching. After your workout, take time to stretch your major muscle groups. This helps with recovery and flexibility. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds. So there you have it, a simple, effective routine to get you started on your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Don't rush the process. Listen to your body and, most importantly, have fun with it. You're building a healthier you, one rep at a time.